Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Kai. I am the host here at the Crochet Corner podcast here on YouTube, and you have made it onto our Let's Talk segment of our channel. So today, we are actually doing episode 21. I believe it is episode 21. Yes, of the Let's Talk segment on our channel. Today I am super excited because this is a yarn I'm going to be doing an initial look. This is not a review yet. I have not worked with the yarn yet, but this is a first look at a yarn that I'm pretty sure you guys are already familiar with, but it is very much new to me, and I so want to share that with you just in case there are some of you out there who have not heard of it. So today we are going to be talking about the Big Twist yarn. So this is a yarn that I found at Joann's. Now, I am totally new to Joann's. There is so much yarn out there that I have not tried because I had never been to Joann's. I just recently started going to Joann's for yarn within the last couple months. And that was only because I got into sewing. And they have a wonderful collection of fabric, a lot more things that I couldn't get at Hobby Lobby, but then I discovered the yarn section. So these yarns that I'm actually reviewing for you guys are new because I've never heard of them. They're new to me, but I'm pretty sure they're probably not new to you guys. Now, for the Big Twist yarn, I don't know if this is a Joann's yarn, like how Hobby Lobby has I Love This Yarn, and then Walmart has Mainstays. So I don't know if this is exclusive to Joann's. I'm pretty sure it is, but you guys, first off, I do want to say I already know I'm gonna love this yarn, but we can definitely get into it. So I have here the Big Twist. This color I actually have more than this. I have this brown color, white, and then I also, because they were on sale, I got, what was the other color? I wanted this lilac color, but they didn't have it. I will look at my order and I will tell you guys. But this is gorgeous, and off the bat, it is super soft. Oh, there's the color. It is medium rose. So this is called Big Twist. And guys, it is just so soft. Like, I want to be honest, I'm a Red Heart girl through and through. I love Red Heart. I will always love Red Heart. But to honestly get it this soft without having to wash it first is really like blowing my mind. So you guys know that about Caron Simply Soft. I don't personally like Caron yarns because there's like this shiny sheen on it that I don't really like. So, but their yarn is really soft, so that's why I usually gravitate more towards Red Heart, because I can get the colors that I like and it doesn't feel weird on my fingers. But sometimes, Red Heart can be rough. I am in love with this Big Twist yarn. Like I said, I have not used it yet. I do have a project in mind for it. I have been hit by the sweater cardigan bugs. I've been making a lot of sweaters and a lot of cardigans. If you've watched my podcast, you would know, and that's what I have plans for here today. So let us get into the specifications of our Big Twist yarn. This is the medium rose color. So we have here 6 ounces or 380 yards. That's 347 millimeters and 170 grams. And I love how they give you this little chart here that tells you how many skeins you'll need per project. So for blankets, it says 6. It says for a sweater, you'll need 3. For a hat, you'll need 1. And for a scarf, you'll need 1. And I think that it is so awesome for them to include that in case you are, like me, having a purpose for this yarn where I want to make a sweater with it. So I have more than enough to get me a sweater out of this. So the recommended hook size is a US H or 8. Then that's 5 millimeter. I go by millimeters. It also says it recommends the same exact size in knitting needles, and it is a medium 4. So guys, I have really high hopes for this yarn. I do see that with me having it in my in the tubs that I have them stored in. You can see them right there. It is kind of getting fuzzy, but that's with any yarn. It is just super soft. I'm so excited, and I do like that it is twisted kind of tightly. Sometimes what'll happen, I notice with Red Heart yarns, is that the twist will come, like especially at these little ends here, it'll become untwisted, and sometimes as you're crocheting with it, you will encounter spots that are untwisted. So the main things that I look at when I'm dealing with these type of yarns is I look for, after I've made the garment and worn, I look for pilling. I look for, does the yarn split easily? And just basically the overall softness in the wear after the project is completed and after everything's done. So with that being said, I have not yet gotten into this yarn. You will see a part 2, just a follow-up video after I've worked for it, so we can check off some of those things. And yes, I'm just super excited to get into this. This is the Big Twist. I am so sad that I had not heard of this yarn before, because it is definitely very, very lovely. It is around the same price point. Let's actually see before I run my mouth as the let's see. Here's my order. So I actually got it on sale. It's originally $3.49, but they were on sale for $1.99 a skein. So I got 4 of these pink color, 4 of the white, the medium rose, and 4 white. And then I went to, that was my online order, and then I actually went to the store. Fortunately, they weren't on sale anymore, but then I got 2 of this brown color, and then 2 of this darker pink color, which I showed on one of my podcasts as like a stash inquisition. If you would like to go back and watch my podcast to see the other colors, but you'll of course see them when I get ready to make my sweater. So you guys, like I said in the beginning, I already know I'm going to love this, but I'll definitely do a follow-up video once I have worked with this yarn, just to let you guys know for sure how I personally liked it. And if you have any other recommendations for yarn for me to try and review, just leave them down in the description box below. I love our Let's Talk section, because that means that I get to splurge on yarn guilt-free, because it is all for you guys. It is all for you guys, and just a little bit for me. But with that being said, that is it for this video, our initial look at the Big Twist yarn, the Joann's yarn. And I do want to thank you guys so much for coming and watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed. I do want to advise that I do have a website now. It is thecrochetcomp.com. If you are interested, I make custom masks. I do custom embroidery. Also, I have scrunchies for sale. If you are interested in any of that, please shop with me. Just look in the description box below, and then shop my website, thecrochetcomp.com. Well, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.